Hello investors. In this episode we will discuss about the last updates made by the Demiourgos Holdings team during the last 2 months. As I mentioned in the last episode, at the beginning of next month, the gold stablecoin will be completed. Because we are the first company in the world who bring physical gold to the blockchain, you can imagine that this meant an extremely large amount of work by the Demiourgos team, which took place over 8 months. At this moment, it is fully implemented and is in the last tests on DevNet. So next week it will be live on VestaDex and will reflect the fixed price of gold in the stock market, having updates from 5 different sources. Also, the margin of error in case of high volatility is reduced to only 1%, which means that we can protect investors at high rates. At the launch of the gold stablecoin next week, we will have an infusion of over 20 kilograms of physical gold, which means that the liquidity in the pools will increase to approximately $1,300,000, which will join the 3 kilograms that already exist in the company. All this will mean a pool of $1 million and thousands of dollars, but our goal is to have at least $2 million this summer. The arbitration method will be extremely complex. We will have the following pairs of tokens, each of them worth $500,000. The first pair is gold stablecoin with Euro, the second pair is Euro with eGold, and the third pair is gold stablecoin with eGold. These pairs will allow us to be 84% pegged to the market value of an eGold through the arbitrage between these token pairs. The next main goal of the Demiourgos company is to create this year liquid Bitcoin in parity with Euro, exactly on the same system that we created liquid eGold, which is functional and stable on VestaDex. Also, NFT staking for subsidiaries is ready, the smart contract is completed, and it is in the final tests. On the DevNet, all that remains is to complete the front-end part because we want the experience of the end users to be extremely simple and intuitive. When NFT staking will be live, the retroactive rewards will be allocated over a period of 3 months. Half will be liquid tokens and the other half will be in the form of Auryn tokens. The biggest news is about the future lending platform, a totally innovative and unique one where the main currency will be, of course, golden stablecoin, and as collateral, only the NFTs issued by the Demiourgos company as well as tokens can be placed as collateral like Bitcoin, golden stablecoin, eGold, Euro, and Elite Auryn. The tokens will be valued at 50% of their price and the NFTs will be valued at 30% of the market floor price. And the people who will collateralize the respective NFTs or tokens will receive the golden stablecoin tokens for which they will pay an interest of only 5% for each month. The interest rate will be fixed, so there is no risk of interest rate volatility as is the case for other lending platforms, which could lead to the execution of your collateral. This fixed interest of 5% per month, based on an innovative method of the company, will succeed in increasing and incentivizing adoption for Euro. So, when the lending platform will be live, the company will create for you a liquidity of $200,000 each in V golden stablecoin and Euro, which will have been created for you on the same architecture as Auryn, and V eGold based on the experience that we already have it and it works very stably. This liquidity at the time of a loan will decrease and automatically the V golden stablecoin index will also decrease. Likewise, when the person who made the loan pays the borrowed amount and the interest, the liquidity of the pool will increase. And automatically this index of the V golden stablecoin will also increase. At this moment, the arbitration will be done between all Euro liquidity pools in VestaDex and with the other tokens of the Demiourgos ecosystem. The innovative part of this mechanism is that investors who want to profit to the maximum will be able to accurately calculate their future profits, being able, based on the data received, to make a future projection for the price of Euro and V golden stablecoin, the price of collateral, as well as for the compound interest, for the amounts entered in the liquidity pool. All of this will have the role of you, the investors, benefiting from all the 5% interest, which will help both Euro and V golden stablecoin to grow in value, but also offer you new arbitrage opportunities between all token pairs from the Demiourgos ecosystem. At the end of the episode, We will give you information about the last update made in the Vesta DEX platform, namely the uncoil for Auryn. We find this application in Vesta DEX in the Vault section. As you can see, the interface is extremely intuitive and offers a series of detailed information about the amounts of Euro, Auryn, and Elite Auryn in the auto stake pool, as well as about the annual percentage rate, which of course is constantly moving, depending on the amount of Euro entering or exiting the pool. It is extremely simple to select the amount of Auryn that we will convert into Euro. Then sign the transaction and wait the 21 days for the uncoil. All the necessary information is displayed and you can know the exact moment when Auryn will become an Euro with greater power given by auto-indexing. It's that simple. Next week, after it will be delivered live, we will also present the uncoil for Elite Auryn, which, together with the second version of Demiourgos Elite Bonus, will complete another milestone in the development of the entire Demiourgos ecosystem. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you find these materials useful, please press also the like button. And last but not least, think smart and act in your own interest. Thank you for watching our presentations.